In this video, I'll show you how to increase or decrease opacity of a video or picture. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorial now. So if you are new in this channel, a miracle update. In this channel, I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistakes you should avoid to keep your video look professional. So if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorial now. So open your ucut app, then click on the plus icon and go to new project. Import the video or picture you want to work with. Okay, so I will import a video and a picture to show you how to do it in both of the stuff. Alright, so this one is for the video. So to increase or decrease the opacity, tap on the video clip, slide, you see this opacity tools over here, tap on it. Then from here you can decrease, are you seeing it? And you can increase, you can decrease. Whenever you're working with a video or a picture, make sure that the opacity is in 100 so that it will show the brightness of your video. Okay, so people can see your video details clearly. But if you want to decrease it to hide some parts or to give some effect to it, you can do that with keyframe. Okay, so after doing it, tap on the check mark, then the photo, you see the same process. Tap on the photo, then slide, you see opacity, it's still the same thing. Can you see it? Can you see it? You can even use this to give a blur effect. Let me show you how to do it. So from there, so tap on the keyframe, then slide a little bit, slide to the, go to the opacity again, increase it. Let's see what we just did. You can see it, a review effect. So you can use this opacity to do a powerful effect. So this is all in how to use opacity in your video. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content tips like this. Okay, and I would like you to stay the next video you want me to do for you guys next. Then I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.